The projectile is fired in the air and we have to find the initial height. So initial height will be when t is equal to 0, and if I put t is equal to 0 in this equation, that is 4 meter is the initial height. To find the initial velocity, the second one, I have to do dh over dt, differentiate the equation. So it goes 4t minus 10t plus 4. Sorry, the plus 4, that will be 0. So like that. So when t is equal to 0, the initial velocity, which is dh over dt, when t is equal to 0 is the initial one, so that will be just 40 meter per second. To find the height after 1 second, I just plug in this one, 40t minus 5t square plus 4. So when t is equal to 1, h becomes 40 times 1 minus 5, 1 square is also 1 plus 4. So that's 44 minus 5, which is 39 meter. So that's the height after 1 second. To find the maximum height, when the projectile reaches the maximum height, the velocity becomes 0. So we have to find when the velocity becomes 0. We have to find the time from there, and then we can use that t in the h equation to find the maximum height. So what I will do, this is the velocity equation. So when the height is maximum, dh over dt will be 0. So when this will be 0 when height is maximum. So h max v is equal to 0. This one is equal to 0. So that is our 40 minus 10t is equal to 0. So from here we get t is equal to 4, and we use this t to the h equation to find the maximum height. So h 40 times 4 minus 5 times 4 square plus 4. So that's 160 minus 5 into 16, that's 80 plus 4. So that's 84 meter. That's the maximum height. So now we have to sketch the projectile height graph. So height is there, t is there. We know that it reaches maximum height at 4 and it will be uniform. So it starts at when initial height is 4. So it starts at 4, it goes there, reaches a maximum height, and then comes back at 4. And then of course it goes down. So basically 4, this is 0 here, 4 at 4 it goes the middle, at 7 it will come down at h, like that. So at 8 it will come down at 4, and then soon afterwards it will reach ground. So practically, since we are just drawing qualitatively with some pointing out some important points, so this will be the shape, and this is where the velocity, which is dh over dt, is 0.